Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to render a master plan in ChatGPT. So basically, this is our master plan that right now we are focusing on for a project. For this, we have completed the CAD stage, and now we are moving towards the client render stage. So for that, first of all, actually I did the whole process of doing this, and then I thought that this has to be documented for all the viewers, and all the viewers should know the step by step process of how to actually make or render a master plan in chat gpt. It is really simple and it really gives a very good outcome. So basically, what did I first do is I gave the first draft image from CAD itself and directly dropped to ChatGPT, and then I wrote a very nice and very systematic prompt for ChatGPT. So if you want to also learn about how to write a prompt for rendering a master plan, then you go check it out on my channel. There is a dedicated video on how to render a master plan in ChatGPT. If you don't find, type anything and just at the end of it type CAD Comrade, and you will get that exact video. So moving forward, the prompt is actually categorized by the 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 actual things that are there in the plan, which is the overall things, the site area things, the plots, amenities and landscape, then the site context, and that and at the last, what output do you want. So by giving all the prompt, the after waiting for a few minutes, we got our first render that looked like this. It actually gave two options, that which one would you like, but this was the first option and this was the second option, which I actually personally liked more. So after that, what I did is I did not stop, because this looked very simple and very subtle. So I again made and started to explore. So the next prompt that I gave was, give me one more nice option for the master plan, which is different style of render, which is simple, that I want something different than that. So it added some more color gradients, and it actually prominently focused on my project area, and it actually dulled out the rest of it. So that is actually a good a good outcome. But still, I wanted to explore more, because I was not okay with the look and feel of the plot. So next, then I came and I wrote the prompt that make one more different option for the master plan, in which keep the site context as it was. So then, so if you remember how our photo used to be, so I told him to keep the site context as it was, which it had actually this plot lines and stuff like that. And ChatGPT 100% gave me the best it could, and this actually looks good now. Then again, I redefined the prompt, and I again wanted this, because this stuff right over here were not so much onto the point. So I again redefined the point, and this time actually ChatGPT gave the right plot boundaries, which is this, and rest, the the main focus of the whole idea of rendering the master plan was achieved through this, but the side context looked very flat. So next, what I did is I just gave a simple prompt and telling that add scattered trees in context, which is like this. But this actually looked very systematic and very basic, which is of course not our style of doing it. So I again, uh, keeping this aside, I give the prompt for the project that add small minimal homes on the plots, but do not change any size of the plot. So basically, if you have any doubt that chat gpt might change something because of the prompt, then you should always balance it out by giving anti prompt. So this is actually known as an anti prompt. So this is the main prompt and this is the anti prompt. So basically, anti prompt means that it actually balances out the outcome for your chat gpt creations. After doing that, but our main problem remains as it is. So still keeping that aside, I gave another prompt that this is a high end project. So I just wrote a simple thing: make it feel luxurious. That's all. And then it actually gave me some more good yellow lights, and houses were of more stories and stuff like that. So it actually made it luxurious. And after that, the our problem of the trees was finally solved. And then I told make the trees more natural and random. And I specifically told it that what is my problem. So basically, this is the prompt, and this is the actual problem that we were facing. So that was random, not like bushes placed here and there. It should look natural. After that, ChatGPT totally understood our project and it gave a perfect outcome that we were looking for, which was a natural green plotting design of the master plan. So that was it for the video. I just wanted to share you the whole process of how we did the rendering of this master plan. If you liked it, if you liked this video, then share it with someone who may need it. And if you felt that you learned something insightful, then do share it with me in the comments. And always subscribe to my channel for such good, useful videos. Thank you for watching.